Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you want?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nkem. In today's video we'll be doing a DIY braided wig. We use 2 packs of X-Pression braiding hair, so I'm just going to cut the attachment into 3 and then stretch it, then brush the attachment. So for this wig we're going to use this wig cap. It's a non-closure wig cap. We don't need a closure wig cap. You can also use a closure wig cap depending on what you have. So we'll start off with the back part of the braided wig, which is to do box braid at the back part of the braided wig. To start the box braid, what I did was crochet a little portion of the attachment to the wig cap, and then I will start braiding on it, or I will start making the box braid on the wig cap. For the back section of the wig, I'm going to do box braid till it gets to the point where I will start making the cornrows. Now I've gotten a lot of questions about my braided wig and all sorts. Even on my Instagram I've gotten a lot of questions. People have been asking a lot of questions about the braided wig. So in this video I'm going to be showing you 2 different methods I use in making my braided wig. So for the first method is a crochet method, and the second method is the needle and thread method. Now the other method you can use as well. For this video, these are the 2 methods I'm going to use.
I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer. Pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be this charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer.
For the front part of this wig cap, I have this closure I will sew to the wig. It's a ear-to-ear closure. That is what the style we're going for demand, so that is what we're going to do. Then after sewing the net to the wig cap, what I will do is cut out the excess at the back, and then before I would take the cap underneath the net, what I will do is I will use a concealer and a brush and then mark the line of the cap on the net. That way it gives you direction when you want to do your braiding, and also it makes your caps to be fitted, and it will make your cap not to be big because you are not braiding out of line. That way it make you not to braid or go out of point. So after doing that, after marking the lines on your net, next thing is to cut out the wig cap underneath the lace net. While you are doing this, ensure you're very careful so you don't cut your net, and that is really a lot of work. You have to start afresh again.
You don't need a killer. Pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
This is what our ear-to-ear closure cap looks like, and you can see our line. Now for the style I'm going for, it requires me to mark the lines where a section of the hair will be on. So for this line I'm marking, this is where all the ones that are going backward will be on. So I'm going to mark this from one ear to another ear. That is the lines I'm making here. One of the purposes of this line is to actually make your wig very neat and make your lines very straight, so when you are braiding on it you don't go out of point. Now for the first method I'm going to be using in this wig is the crochet method. So for this method, all you basically have to do is crochet the attachment to the lace net, and while you're doing this crocheting method, as you can see, the first one was very big. The first one I crocheted is very big, so I'll go ahead and take it out, then make all of them small.
You don't need a killer.
As you guys can see, all of them are small, because if they are too big, your cornrows will not lap very well. So that is why you need to make them tiny as well. So I'm just going to start braiding on it right now. Now I've already sectioned my attachment in beads, so I'll just be taking them one after the other according to the sizes, because for the first part you want to start small with small size or with small portion of attachment, and then gradually increase it.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your...
Now what I did after this step was to use my concealer and then mark on all the back parts of the hair, or all the ones that are going backward. I marked on them so it will give me direction to crochet on. And this is what the first one looks like. So I'm just going to jump over to the second part of the wig. And for the second part of the wig, what I did was I already braided some. I think I lost some clip of those, so I'm just going to show you guys the next step. For the next one I'm going to be showing you is the needle and thread method. And for this method, I've done a lot of this style on my channel. Even the crochet method, I've done a lot of it on my channel, so I'd like you guys to just scroll down and check out all of my videos on braided wig. You guys will love them. What I did was use a pin and then secure the braids or the cornrows on the wig cap, and then I'm going to just start sewing on it. For the sewing method, I start from the back because you don't want to start from the front, just in case you make any mistake. Like, it's easier to correct it when you're working from the back than to the front, or better say you start from the middle and then work your way to the front and then go back again to the back. For the top part of this braided wig, I actually use the needle and thread method, so that is why I'm showing you guys the two methods I use for this wig. Now you can actually use the two method in making any of your braided wig and it will still come out flawless and very beautiful. So any of the method, you are good to go. Now while you're making this, you just have to be very patient with the process and just relax yourself while you're doing this. It's not something that you just rush and finish in one day. Like for this wig, it took me a couple of days to finish, so it's not something you want to rush and just complete at once. No, for you to get a better result, take your time. When you make any mistake, undo it and then correct your mistake and start afresh again. Do not rush the process while you are at it, and take your time to avoid unnecessary mistakes while you're making this braided wig.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be.
The next step is to put the hair in hot water, and after you put it in hot water, trim the mat to get your pencil mat, and after which I'm just going to let the hair dry. While it's drying, I'm going to make my baby hair at the front part of this wig. So please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, and also give this video a huge thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this wig.
We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your ex? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need.
After doing that, next thing to do is cut out the excess lace net at the front of the wig, and you are set to rock your wig. You guys see the way the wig looks, see the final look of this wig after so many days of doing this. It takes time actually, so I'm just going to install this wig on my head. The wig is very secure, so you don't need an extra band on this wig.
You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a cute dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
So I'm just going to use styling mush to lay down the baby hairs.
Do you seem to call it your ex? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming.
And here I'm going to make the wig look very natural by using my concealer to sharpen up my lines. I think I stained some parts of the wig, but it doesn't really matter because it's looking very flawless and beautiful. So you guys, thank you so much for watching to this point of the video. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you find it helpful, and let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. I love you guys. Take care. Bye bye.